Alright, so I'm about to merge onto a motorway, or a freeway I guess it's known in America. I know we don't have as many motorways or freeways as they do in America, like a place like Los Angeles, but certainly in Sydney there are a few. I know for many people it's a bit of a fear in life, merging onto a fast freeway, going from 60 kilometers an hour to 110. And I admit, in a Tesla it's a lot easier because you're going to get ahead of most cars because of the acceleration. I rarely have any issues, 99% of the time you're going to get ahead of a car to get onto a freeway quite safely. I know people talk about the acceleration in a Tesla being quite quick, but I actually see it as a safety issue. You can get out of trouble pretty quickly, whether it be in a freeway like I just said, or if you need to get ahead of another car quickly to merge back, or to overtake safely as well. Or to get out onto a main road from a side street without the use of a traffic light. So I find it quite useful. And of course I'm saying all these things without going over the speed limit or breaking the law. You can do it quite safely even with the fast acceleration. Hey, thanks for watching, and thank you for helping us to bring the electric vehicle revolution to Australia. If you've enjoyed our videos, please take a moment to hit subscribe. We would really appreciate it. If you're close to buying a brand new Tesla, then lucky you. Use one of our promo codes on screen to unlock special goodies from Tesla. Happy charging!